our portions are taken, है ना? Happy चलो like full this 9 का हो सकता है वो भी फटाफट करने देगा ना मेरा सारा रन से देख के कभी नाली का होता है I've seen this somewhere. Next one is there. Maybe ऐसा नहीं दिखती है. Sir.
Sir, I got the paper.
Relax. I'll try to introduce yourself. I know this boy only, है ना? Yeah, we had finished one of the main chapter of base management.
Yes. We are doing the
Second chapter. What is that?
Sir, MCQ में कितना marks मिला?
मैं पेपर ही नहीं देखा ना तुमने लिखा है ऐसे कैसे मैं ब्लाइंडली क्या
अरे मेरा paper.
ब्लाइंड दे दूंगा give the paper to me let me see
अरे उसके पास.
both of you come this side very darkly ये विजय को वॉल्यूम दे दो
मेरा है ना बुक से
third 3 रहेगा ऐसे
मैंने क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं पढ़ी.
come this side that is easy for me he wants to do the postmortem give me in the second lecture we'll do pick up the book he will only discuss no you discuss keep it there.
अरे अब बताओ कैसे?
I am not aware. Tell me, waste management का 3 tools है. मतलब the second topic tell me. Get up and go. I'll come. Sit down. Come in. Okay. Okay, impact we haven't done.
Sit down. Wow.
Who?
You only told it.
So there are how many words?
2
4,
and
3.
then sit down.
Look, go back and sit down. Understandable. मेरा स्टूडेंट अभी इतना होना ही चाहिए क्या होना चाहिए
Time मिला sorry 10 hours.
in school good yeah I think we have done that impact is it check your notebook
Sir, I don't have notebook.
that time what is sleeping there 2 लेक्चर किया हमने
Just so down.
वो तो वैसे भी है तुम तो आया भी नहीं
अरे मेरे एग्जाम से रिलेटेड कैसे आती है?
nobody put this heading everyone
Very good. So you will not see the question paper.
I am seeing it. There are hands-on work. How do I leave hands-on work? You are seeing it, na? Let him give you all the answers. Hey guys, पहले ये लिखो.
Sir, Topo was not good.
Wait. We will do the entire analysis with him, with me, है ना? You should also understand.
I don't know anything. Why? Didn't study. My exam will come now.
Exam आएगा तो ही करना है.
हाँ, exam में नहीं पढ़ा.
That is very not so good of you.
Revise करना.
Revise करना है कितना झूठ बोलता है.
चलो, no more talks.
आज what लाया? Very good. Finally.
I said.
Yes.
This girl will listen to me. Will you? The major paragraph that I have to explain you is composting. Hey, both are having the volume. Volume है दोनों के पास? You can take mine. Give that one. I'll mark and give. वो लिखते रहो. We'll have a sip of a tea. Come and join you within this time or me time. Give me a pen or pencil. In your absence, we had planned for some outing.
What?
But outing.
Oh, कब जा रहे हो?
अभी तक तो डेट्स डिसाइड नहीं किया है।
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
वो तो सरप्राइज है ना।
There are thinking to a scooty after 10.
तो स्कूटी चलाने आती है?
I'm thinking of
बाइक से नहीं।
I'm thinking of to buy a scooty after 10.
इलेक्ट्रिक?
वेरी गुड।
बहुत महंगी।
तेरा पापा को बोल दे।
मनाना पड़ेगा सर।
मेरे पापा ने तो बोला इलेक्ट्रिक चाहिए तो ले ले।
डेंजर लाइसेंस पाकिस्तान को बांटे।
Electric.
Put the heading and keep. What discussion on?
We are meeting after so long time.
So send me both of you all discussing come back. I am ready for that.
Says I can't see the boot.
You are
अभी याद
coming in
आया।
between.
अभी याद आया। Where for you between?
No,
Sir,
maybe
food
not
also.
between.
Huh?
Fruit.
And then why did you ask me to put that side?
4 points.
Really?
From posting. Spelling आती है?
It's on the board. I think it's-
Sir,
क्या? पहले sign करेगा तो नहीं होगा। बोला? और सर बता दे, right ना? All the sir. Yeah? What is this?
Disrespecting.
You don't say.
मैं disrespect नहीं कर सकती.
Will you shut your mouth? Trying to mark quickly or I have to give you. And then maybe- चलो ये लिखते रहो।
लिखते रहो.
I'll come not only show you the video but explain it.
इतना सर.
इतना क्या? Hardly it will take 5 minutes. By the time I finish my evening.
जब मैं लिखना है. कितना निकाल लाइन पे. मेरा भी करना है.
क्या करना है?
कुछ भी लंबा लिख देना.
नहीं बोलो मुझे
इतना बकवास करने लगे.
दिखा दिखा
हमारा है. Very good.
और दो पैकेट वड़ा पाव खाता है
2 पैकेट बोलो.
अरे सॉरी 2
ऐसे नहीं बात. 2 पैकेट बाप रे. मैंने कल ही करा.
आई तो पता है मुझे स्कूल में कैंटीन में लगा था
हाँ.
हाँ उधर स्कूल है ना एक दिन पाव भाजी मिला तो है ना 2 पाव थे मैंने ना
2 लागी पाव खा लिया.
नहीं 6 एक्स्ट्रा पाव खाया उस दिन फिर उसके एक हफ्ते बाद वड़ा पाव था ठीक है मुझे लगा भाई मैं बुक करूँ सारा देखो मेरे पूरे क्लास उसको आधी से ज्यादा सेल्स मेरी क्लास में था ये मेरे 8 वड़ा पाव मेरे दोस्त के 12 आ गए
बाप रे. मैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा 3 ही खाती हूँ.
लेकिन 8 खाए उसके बाद भी भूख लगने की पैसे नहीं थे मेरे पास
हाथ पड़ा था. बाप रे कितना वो करे तू.
तो फोन में मोबाइल में तो खाना दे दे इतने मैं नवंबर में आ ही नहीं रहा हाँ इतने 5 दिन के लिए शादी में जा रहा
ओहो किसकी है. किसके साथ हो रही है.
आने वाली
किसके साथ हो
मतलब
रही है.
मेरे ये
मैंने पूछा कि तेरी शादी किसके साथ हो रही है.
मेरे नाना के बड़े छोटे बेटे की शादी
बड़े तेरे सगे नाना या
है ना मेरी
मुझे जल्दी चाहिए क्या.
तो फिर क्या? उनको और बकबक करने का टाइम था।
हम स्पीच
मैंने
करेंगे.
स्पीच
It was cold. It was not hot.
So
10 for that. No need for your stuff.
You didn't get the time to enjoy your tea.
Enjoyment क्या है? सीपू नानी तो अच्छा वो where is that map? अच्छा देखो
ये लेंगे वो लोग.
ये देखो कंपोज ऑफ द डायरेक्शन ऑफ संतवाड़ा वो जो भी एरिया है ना उधर नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट डालना है और ये पार्थवाड़ा कहाँ से देखना है
अरे वो यहाँ पे बीच में एक था वहाँ पे एक था.
देखो फ्रम कहाँ है डायरेक्शन ऑफ संतवाड़ा फ्रम पार्थनवाड़ा ना तो पार्थनवाड़ा में जाके वो जगह पर ऐसा
ऐसे था.
finish it don't come humbling over it
सर डिस्कस द पेपर नो
why no
सर एमसीक्यू में कितने मार्क्स मिले होंगे
अरे,
बताओ.
रुको
मेरे
तो।
को देख के बताओ.
let me question
क्वेश्चन मैं आंसर ही नहीं करूँगी.
सर मैं बोल दूंगा
हाँ इसको
एक
बोलो.
मिनट पेपर लिखा कौन तू है
सर मुझे आता है
अभी तो
मैंने भेजा नहीं है इसको.
it's okay relax complete that I have to explain maybe today if possible we'll wind up और तुमको और एक ट्यूसडे लेता हूँ बस we'll wind one more Tuesday because ये बच्ची अभी आई है ना by the next week she will forget
ट्रांसपोर्ट भी चाहिए.
क्यों वो तो हम लोगों ने कर लिया ना
ये अच्छी थी
आपको
ये
कौन
नहीं
बोला?
जॉली वाले कौन है ट्रांसपोर्ट
I will not say anything we will have one more Tuesday and then we'll finish talk whatever
ये ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए मुझे बोल गया है
hey it is a regular lecture only I won't say transport okay you come both of you come on Tuesday we will wind coming Tuesday
हाँ इसका भरोसा नहीं है यार.
माय एग्जाम्स
हाँ तो she needs it I'll finish it off and they by 2 yeah assertion and reason were you able to tackle
मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रहा. आप बोलो.
now मेरा क्या है यार you were able to tackle
सर कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है उसमें
do that come here can both of you
सर उसमें कॉम्पिटेंसी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है
अरे मैं अभी क्वेश्चन 3 में आई विल नॉट यू विल अरे क्वेश्चन पेपर तुमने लिखा है हाउ डू आई नो
मैंने लिखा है.
तो फिर आंसर तुमने लिखा है
हाँ बोल रहे हो.
because seeing that paper I feel what kind of doctor Anya Kaki the director of ICSE अच्छा ऐसे भी
Because
arrange the
solid
following
text
transport infrastructure cut their descriptions correctly super highways national highways state highways roadways ये कैसे लिखा है
सर बताओ ना मैं बता दूं आंसर
चुप है लिख
अरे सर आते हैं बताओ
ये पेपर ही लिख
चलेगा
पहले रोडवेज आएगा फिर नेशनल हाईवेज फिर स्टेट हाईवेज फिर सुपर हाईवेज तूने क्या ऑर्डर डाला है
पता नहीं.
हंसो हंसो
राम ने बोला कि एमसीक्यू में मेरे को 4 ही मार्क्स.
हंस लो
इतने में से
नेक्स्ट ईयर एनीवे
पढ़ाई
कोई
नहीं करना वैसे.
क्यों नहीं पढ़ा
बाकी के चैप्टर्स पढ़ने के लिए टाइम नहीं मिला.
ठीक है आई कांट टेक ऑल दिस बिकॉज़ यू गाइस आर टू Gen Z people let the millennial forget Gen Z
मैं जेनजी नहीं हूँ.
so you are Gen Z
उसका एक पहला जो भी हो.
ये सर 2009
comprise the overall network ये तो और भी डिफिकल्ट है डिस्क्रिप्शन
बाकी क्वेश्चन आंसर्स
देख रहा हूं doing
मैं बाकी नहीं कर.
which of the following pairs of soils are alike in both their color and texture even though they form different climate हां ये क्या था red and laterite soil देख which of the following pairs of soils are alike in both their color this is red soil and laterite dash variety of tea greenish brown in color
बोलो
ये बढ़िया है
बोलो पिंकी पता है बाद में मैम को चिल्ला के ओ लॉन्ग लिखा तूने. मेरे को क्या
मार्क्स मिले तुझे
नहीं लगता है.
इसके बीच में assertion and reason एक डाल दिया
नहीं किसी
बोले
पेपर
कि
कौन सा किसी पेपर
mangrove trees are utilized for which purpose timber fruit ornamental fuel बोलो
क्या है आंसर आप बता दो.
ठीक है you say this for timber why do plants in tropical desert regions usually remain short and not grow very tall even they survive harsh conditions अब इसमें 4 ऑप्शन है भैया तू सुन क्वेश्चन सुना ना फर्स्ट ऑप्शन constantly high temperature place stress on plants, reducing their ability to grow tall. Severe lack of B, regular rainfall means plants do not receive enough water to support tall growth. C, plants grow deep roots to search for the underground water, but this adaptation uses most of their energy, limiting how tall they can grow above the ground. None of these reasons fully explain why desert plants stay small. बोलो डी तो निकल जाएगा बिकॉज तीनों में कुछ ना कुछ है भी आई सी
वाला
हाँ
अंडरग्राउंड
हाँ दैट इज द करेक्ट
मैंने सी
explain the
चार मार्क्स मिले बोल तो रही हूँ मैं
explain two important features of Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon west winds लिखा
बोल क्लाइमेट पढ़ा ना तुम्हें
हाँ सर बोलो नहीं पढ़ता
two features of southwest monsoon
सर it brings rainfall to the Coromandel coast and it's
southwest Coromandel coast जियो मेरे ला
southwest western disturbance होते हैं ना
so good give a geographical reason for each Cherrapunji receives highest heavy rainfall Jaisalmer receives low rain
sir because Cherrapunji is located on the leeward side and Jaisalmer is located on the windward side
very Jaisalmer में mountain है
हाँ उल्टा बोल दिया सर सॉरी
Cherrapunji आके leeward side Jaisalmer on the westward side
अरे सर
Why Cherrapunji is in Meghalaya Jaisalmer is in Rajasthan
अरे सर मतलब जहाँ पे ज्यादा बार कौन सी साइड
नहीं तो पढ़ ले तेरा रिवीजन बाकी है पढ़ ले Northern plains of India do not freeze in winter
मैंने क्लाइमेट ही नहीं किया है
People in Mumbai experience oppressive weather in the month of October.
देखो मैंने
Sit down, sit, relax. Don't just jump over me.
ये
I'm
वाला
afraid.
एक ही छोड़ा और मेरे को 10 मिला इसका
इसमें tell me.
सॉरी टाइम में सॉरी में 9 मिला
तुम्हारे टीचर के हर रोज नया नया न्यूज रिलीज करते रहती है उसको पूरा पेपर देके वो मुंह बंद नहीं करने का होता देखो define soil fertility लिखा what did you write
अरे वो छोड़ो
अरे नहीं मैं झापड़ लड़की है
सर बता दो
I am not at all impressed tell what is define soil
पेपर लेके आओ
how do नहीं
अच्छा
चाहिए
पेपर लेके आओ
ये नहीं चाहिए tell me what is it. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन का पूरा मेरे से सब चाहिए वहां से जीरो आएगा
इनऑर्गेनिक
two nutrients
Magnesium.
two nutrients formed abundantly in fertile soil which necessary for basic Right?
इनऑर्गेनिक एक और क्या है
तुम मुझसे पूछ रहे हो name the two non sustainable soil non sustainable मतलब एक तो burning of that this one slash and flue but देखो two non-sustainable which cannot withstand for long time soil fertility practices burning and जो ashes है ना वो fertility बढ़ाता है but वो ज्यादा देर तक नहीं रहेगा ना 2-3 साल में खत्म हो जाएगा दूसरा कौन सा वो टॉन्ग्स है हमारे घर में जो अभी बाहर आ रहा था
बोलो क्या है
one is that slash and zoom वाला दूसरा क्या है leaving the soil environment also दूसरा है फर्स्ट इज आई टोल्ड व्हाट एल्स व्हिच आर द क्वेश्चन यू फील पेपर वाज नॉट इजी है डिफिकल्ट अगर आंकर वाला ने ऐसा बनाया तो आईसीएसई वाला क्या बनाएगा सोचो डिफिकल्ट है
25% कॉम्पिटेंसी है
कोई कॉम्पिटेंसी नहीं है तुम्हारा तो कॉम्पिटेंसी जीरो है फिर 25% में तुम क्या करोगे
ना सर
मेरे को 60 ऊपर आ जाए
60 ऊपर आ जाएगा 60 नीचे कभी नहीं आता देखते हैं
बोलो ना
give geographical reasons now good transport brings in homogeneity and national integration homogeneity मतलब देखो north से south south से people are mixing together instead of restricted to south or north they are bringing homogeneity Indian culture are and what is national integration till the absence of railway lines people were unable to share their habits language culture so railways have brought about not only railways good transport has brought about many people mixing together Not only food habits, culture, everything has been interchanged with each other. ये तो common sense question है.
छोड़ के
तुमको common है या sense है वो जरा
सर बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड है
hard नहीं है but for your level I feel ऐसा नहीं है मुझे तो बड़ा है. So expecting board exam also something tipsy topsy.
सर बोर्ड के पेपर इससे ज़्यादा हार्ड है इससे कम hard?
How would I predict? There are three sets. Each set is competitive with the other, and it is highly secretive. अभी लास्ट ईयर का पेपर लेकर देखो ए बी सी का कैसा है तो लाइब्रेरी में मिल जाएगा स्कूल लाइब्रेरी में
एक ही ज्योग्राफी पेपर होता है
अच्छा आप लोग को नहीं है ऐसे
नहीं
अच्छा सीबीएसई देखे 3 ना अरे 3 सेट होता है ना
नहीं सर हम लोग को एक ही सबको रहता है कॉमन पेपर
ऐसे सी
हाँ वही ना सर
वो दो ही क्वेश्चंस
बस बाकी सब
ठीक है
तो शैल टेस्ट विद सम माय
मैं पढ़ के आऊंगी नेक्स्ट वीक पढ़ के आऊंगी
ये कौन सा तरीका है मैं पढ़ के आऊंगी का मतलब क्या फिर एग्जाम में पढ़ के नहीं गया था
लिख गई थी दादा
लिख गई थी
गई थी मैं पढ़ के
ओए इंग्लिश स्टूपिड है इंग्लिश इज at bar. Hey guys, did you both of you write? I have to explain and finish these two. In our absence, we have done 2 things. One is eutrophication. I had explained. I had explained you were absent on that day.
Yes, sir.
And what is the other thing? Biomagnification. You have the notes of that. Where is that book? एक काम करो ये वॉल्यूम आपका है या मेरा है
ये मेरा है
हाँ give that volume to her अभी तक लिख रही है हाँ show where is that eutrophication to her उसको खुद आता नहीं है
उसको खुद नहीं पता
अरे सर पता है
नहीं पता है कभी ऐसा बोला है क्या पता नहीं सब पता है
इसमें ढूंढ रहा है
wait
सर नहीं दी है सर आपने टेक्स्ट बुक से दिया था मुझे
वॉल्यूम में भी है 2-3 है ना उसमें से देख कोई तो एक रहेगा
खुद ढूंढ लीजिए
हाँ ये देख लीजिए
please read that buddy
read that
me
you only he has eaten digested and passed out also abhi you have to eat let's see
it is a process
not for me but for you कॉमेडियन का भी माँ है आगे जा जाके क्या इंटेलिजेंटली बनेगा ना
अरे शो खोलेगी अपना मेरा शो
चुप था
तू उधर जाके हंसने के लिए जा रहा है ऑडियंस में
अरे नहीं सर उधर जैसे वो बैठते हैं
ठीक है finish it soon so that I
चुप अरे लाभ है
do you make her laugh or she wants to laugh what is that
he wants to laugh
and who is laughing then हैं उसका मुंह तो देखो you are only giggling yeah we will explain a small little bit flashback to her so that both child should also understand है ना देखो both the words are very simple to understand what is the first word it is written there Hey boy, you tell me any idea what is eutrophication? Without looking in, you were there, and one is biomagnification.
okay
Because the word eutrophication is very simple. Yes. Increase in the level of oxygen, not oxygen, nutrition in the water. Are you understanding? And where is this nutrition extra has come up? Whenever the farmers use fertilizer, correct? And why do they use fertilizer? To increase the growth of plants, correct? Crops.
but
Wait, if it is excessively they are using it, if the rainwater washes away that fertilizer, urea, जो भी वो plant growth के लिए करता है, it reaches to the water body. Inside the water, there are something called as planktons, algae, and other microbial type plants. Now, what will happen? वो जो fertilizer, it will help the plants which are beneath the water body to grow fast. Once they grow fast, after some time they'll take over the entire pond, lake, whatever. Have you seen that green color one? That is called as Spirogyra. Something in microbiology, sorry, not simple biology. We have studied its structure also. Now the pond is full of that. Now the sunlight which is beating during the daytime, it is not allowed to go down. Correct. One, it will use the excess. Second, it will become a nuisance like water hyacinth. In science also, you will have water hyacinth, that plant. And that is called as a nuisance. Why nuisance? It will get out the entire pond within no time. The fishes who are inside, they will not get the oxygen. Why? Because the sun is not beating. Even if it is beating, it is not deeply going in. So it will create an imbalance. So that is the meaning of the word eutrophication. Biomagnification, ये तो समझ में आता है. What is bio? It is the living organisms. Okay. I'll show the structure like this. It is shown in your volume goals in the textbook. So we have grasses, primary producers, secondary, and the final. So we say grasses here. When we say primary producer.
So you might take tertiary,
secondary, and tertiary. Now, the pollution, chemical or pollutants, whatever you call, which are in this water body or gases, it is consumed by this primary consumer. That level of pollutants which are going inside the body might be increasing at every stage. It was only 5%. Here it might become 20 or 30%. By the time it reaches to the tertiary consumer, it becomes 40 or 50. Example, so the word is biomagnification. In your textbook, they might have shown the picture of an eagle, which is at the topmost. Eagle के body में इतना वो pollutants या poison जाता है. When it is laying the egg for the young ones, the eggshell is also very weak. We have one more example of Japan. What was a disease called? Minamata. Because out of so many bays where they were catching fish, you know, Japan is 1/4 is land, 3/4 is water. So they are the people who consume maximum fish नहीं, जो भी पानी में मिलता है, almost majority commodity लोग खाते हैं. Squid होने दो या I don't know what, वो भी है, वो fish है ना. But so this word biomagnification is nothing but the poison or whatever it is in the first level. By the time it reaches to the topmost level, it is magnified. What is magnified? That pollutant. I mean, this Minamata Bay in Japan, people were having extraordinary disease. That is that Minamata. But then people were understanding some nervous issue, some tensions, because there was a mercury plant which was adjoining, which was releasing the water, which was containing mercury. Even the birds which has eaten the fish had mercury in its brain. You know, mercury is a metal. If it enters your body through fishes or any other thing, then it is going to cause trouble. So that is the best example of biomagnification. So now you please read that volume. You have any textbook? Take it out that and go to composting. Start reading. और इधर से मैं मार्क करके देता हूँ तो composting में लिख. Because we don't want to.
composting लिखा था.
आगे का देता हूँ ना, segregation भी तो है. नहीं textbook. You read. My dear, I'll be with you. ये दोनों read कर लो because it is very important. Everywhere in exam, these two are going to be asked. Now first you read and complete this, na. You give me your what is that textbook too.
Yes.
Hey, today we have to maximum finish, huh? No more this one wastage of. Read it. Hey, look at me like this. I could understand all your chuckles. तू देना, एक काम किसका है?
Sir, how we are GC?
And to jump, who told you to sit there? I don't care. You fly like a Superman. You don't get up here. That is the punishment. हम लोग वो ट्रेन का कोच में बोलते हैं तो अंदर जाके बैठने कौन बोला? Give the pencil also. Sit here. जाओ रे आराम से किसी के ऊपर गिर जाना. Trouble हो जाएगा. Everything he takes from the girl. Hey boy, hey complete picture. No. Can't you wait for 2-3 minutes? Hey, read. Enough. How do you? Diabetes, the mental issues are breaking. Dumping did I give you?
Yes.
No, marking and no ना.
अभी सर वाले ने मार्क किया ना.
तुमने लिखा है क्या?
हाँ. अरे पर दे दो.
नहीं. Why should I give it again? Sanitary landfill नहीं मारना. My dear girl, read it. In your absence, we have done so much in detail.
Yes.
You missed all that things.
You could wait.
Why?
Sir, you जल्दी भी जाके दिया था.
Why should I wait?
Because I was absent.
Then you should have come here.
I had exam the next day.
Evening 6:30.
I had exam the following
I know.
day.
Carry on. We will sort it out.
Sir, also.
No, every week it's not possible.
But you didn't give me a leave.
Are you reading?
Yes.
चलो ये सिर्फ लिख बाकी तो मैं दे दूंगा. Give this to you. Why do you need it? Anyway, marking I need it again. तो एक काम कर जल्दी वो खत्म कर. By the time she reads, you finish it of this. Then we'll go to the second. Dumping मत लिखना. Then write that sanitary landscape.
Sir, full.
Not full, but that is important only. So make it point wise. Guys, these chapters very important, but in your school they don't teach it properly. I know it very well.
Sir, ma'am gave it self study.
Wow.
Understood. So at least if you want to go for this volume, in your board exam, just quickly
Combine. Sir, combine question, no?
Guys, quickly. This girl will never listen. Pull the ears tight and lock it up.
रोज जाने का मैं उठूंगी नहीं.
इतना क्या है?
अरे माफ कर रही थी.
मार्क कर लेना बात. अरे लिखना तैयार होगा बस मत कर. अरे देख.
फट्टू.
ये संडे हिंदी क्लास थर्सडे हिंदी क्लास
नहीं है.
ये संडे आएगी तो कैसे?
देखो कॉम्पिटिशन है.
नेक्स्ट संडे है तो टीचर जा सकता है हिंदी के.
हिंदी से छोड़ देते
मेरी भी सीखा
पढ़ने ही नहीं
मेरे एग्जाम में
मेरे को पढ़ने ही नहीं आता हिंदी क्या करूँ
Shall we? Did you complete? And tell me what is. I know your habit of rabbit. Just tell me what is eutrophication. It is written on the board. I very.
increase in level of nutrition and water
How?
by like if a farmer uses excess amount of
How it
fertilizer,
reaches to the water?
then rain will come.
Rain will come. You will say and it will come. You can say it. To do what's up to. Then rain will come and it will wait.
In rainy season,
Hmm.
the water will flow off and it will reach
Flow
the
off.
bodies.
Excess rainwater will wash away this fertilizer and it's the language. And tell me what is biomagnification?
Hindi में बोलो?
I am teaching in English. You understood? Write the next heading and we are ready for this. Because I know even after 6 months also you will be the same. Body level. जब से तू नहीं है कुछ भी नहीं तो हमारा बड़ी Now look, when we are writing all this, listen, stop writing for a second. One is the segregation. What is segregation? In your own building also you might have seen.
You segregate the waste.
One wet, dry, other is dry. Then we say biodegradable, non-biodegradable. Some are vegetable waste. Then I am saying it. In India, now there is a growing consciousness that this is very important. You may ask the NMMC or the BMC or the local authority can do it, but they receive in one day tons and tons of garbage. It's better when we are dumping or when we are putting in the garbage can, there only we are separating. Thank you. There only we are separating two separate cans. Next, they say dumping. Hey boy, listen.
Yes,
For a long time, civic authority used to have this formula. Open dumping when population is less and the area is used quite, I cannot say good, quite a safe. Maybe like 100,000 people living and they are taking around 50 to 100 kilometers away where there is no population, it was okay. But with the growing population, expansion of residential areas, and then heaps and heaps of garbages. Heaps like this. Slowly and steadily, earlier we used to say hills. Now we can say it is heaps of hills only garbage. I mean, the problem is what? The scavengers, the birds. It might be rodents. It might be pests. You know what is a pest? Mice, rats, whatever. They just feed on that. And by the time it becomes a vector, I hope you understand what is a vector. Na? It spreads the diseases quickly. So now every government, they said open dumping is banned now. Something else we have to say? And this is nothing but a sanitary landfill. The word वो पता नहीं अभी गोबर क्या नाम ये गार्बेज बैन नहीं करेगा वो पीपल करके वो एरिया में तो
नहीं से बहुत बड़ा लैंड है बहुत बड़ा
पता नहीं I did that area actually good area okay sanitary landfills are those where we'll dig a pit in the ground. One layer of this garbages, and one layer of soil. One layer of this and one layer of that. So what they are trying to do, they are trying to create nothing but a compost. Next time. What is the meaning of the word composting? All the biodegradable substances where this bacteria can act on it, which are present in the soil. ये जो है ना, after some maybe few months, it becomes a dark substance which we call it as a manure, but it is a rich manure, organic manure. What is organic means? Which is created naturally. And you will have oxygenated and deoxygenated. I think science student better understand that. You know. So then,
Seven time I'm telling you.
oh, I totally mess up.
That time also in open day I told you.
That's a thing. Next time we'll remember. So we always believe that this is the method which has been stopped. This method means nothing, but we are composting the waste. By composting, what it will do? We will be going for 3 hours now very soon.
Yes, sir, I know.
One is reducing,
Recycle.
reusing, using extra, and last one I think recycle. So we'll be studying all this into like this 3 hours. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes.
So Abhi, if I get this 3 hours properly implemented, definitely the quintal and quintal of waste that we are seeing will be reduced. फिर reuse करो जो possible है, and नहीं हुआ तो last में सबसे last है recycle. ठीक है? Just watch this video, then we will try to finish this chapter today only.
Of our daily lives. Every day, we generate waste from our homes, offices, and industries. But have you ever thought about what happens to this waste? Improper disposal of waste leads to environmental pollution and health hazards. Our planet is drowning in waste. Overflowing landfills leak toxins into soil and waterways, while plastic pollution suffocates marine life and disrupts ecosystems. But what if I told you that a simple act like waste segregation could make a world of difference? Waste segregation is the process of separating different types of waste at the source, like paper, plastics, glass, and organic materials. By sorting our waste before disposal, we can unlock a world of benefits for both the environment and our communities. First and foremost, waste segregation reduces the strain on our landfills. By diverting recyclable and organic materials from the waste stream, we can extend the lifespan of our landfills and reduce the need for new ones. But that's not all. Waste segregation also makes recycling and composting more efficient. Separating materials at the source ensures that recyclables remain uncontaminated and organic waste can be transformed into nutrient-rich compost. Recyclable waste, such as paper, plastic, and metal, can be reused to create new products and reduces the demand for virgin materials and saves energy and resources. Waste segregation may seem like a small step, but it has a significant impact on the environment. Waste segregation isn't just good for the environment, it's good for our communities too. By promoting responsible waste management practices, we can create cleaner, healthier neighborhoods for ourselves and future generations. But the power of waste segregation lies in our hands. By taking simple steps to sort our waste and recycle responsibly, each of us can play a part in building a more sustainable future. So let's roll up our sleeves and get sorting. Together, we can make a difference, one piece of trash at a time. Help us to educate others by sharing this with your friends, family, and the rest of the world.
दोस्तों you what is composting है ना? Look at the next things what we have to understand. Under composting there are two methods they have given. One is mechanical method and other is manual method. Okay, she will read what is mechanical method from page number 138. बोलो
It's not this textbook.
Are you sure? नहीं है? जरा हाँ टेक्स्ट बुक में देख वो है क्या?
Textbook probably got है.
नहीं कंपोस्टिंग है क्या देख चैप्टर का फर्स्ट पेज में देख
Transport of municipal solid waste.
सीधे कर हाँ उसमें क्या क्या है ऊपर
Method of safe disposal of waste, segregation, dumping and composting.
है ना
सर पर देख नहीं रहा है.
कंपोस्टिंग है माय डियर
What did I told?
you told in French
sir.
I understood in Italian I am speaking
Mechanical composting tools.
हाँ तो कंपोस्टिंग के अंदर ही आता है
पर वो मैकेनिकल इसमें नहीं है.
वो नहीं है ठीक है then what is composting question लिख लो in your note now only write the question and click what is composting अभी मैं दे देता हूँ 2 लाइन में
Do wait 2 minutes.
aerobic and anaerobic method वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ Aerobic means that presence of oxygen, anaerobic is absence of oxygen. What is composting? Shall I? It is a popular method of decomposing the solid waste in the presence of A. In the presence of A. Next line. Aerobic method of एरोबिक AE देखो एयर से बना है ये वर्ड मतलब एयर वो ऑक्सीजन और सब सही नहीं एरोबिक मेथड ऑफ decomposing involves what do you pronounce
INVOLVES.
Involves.
so what should I say
अच्छा involves. I thought
involves
involves.
इतना प्रको बाजू में ब्रेन तेरा बाहर ज्यादा है तो मुझे भी थोड़ा सा टेंशन है तुमने जो प्रोनाउंस किया वो रॉन्ग है
You pronounce it wrong.
Sir, PhD English.
एक मिनट तो मैंने क्या बोला है जरा
Involves.
Involves.
हाँ.
Thank you. You're absolutely mentally और कुछ एक्टिविटी let us not second point पे जाते हैं next point पे जाते हैं
Involves.
involves what is that spelling बोलो no wait spelling बोलो
ये spelling से क्या चाहिए?
spelling बोलो
नहीं बोलते.
ऐसा कैसे अभी तो मेरे सामने इतना पूछा
नहीं बोल रही मैं.
क्या नहीं बोल गया better I don't speak चलो let's move what was that word
Aerobic method of decomposition.
what is that next word no dash I can't tell me that word
इसको बोलो.
क्यों he doesn't have any problem
निकोल बोलो.
पक्का but what is
बाद
that
में बोलेगी जब प्लान खत्म हो गया
चलो,
तो
चलो।
यार ये सर ने ऐसे कहा था
हाँ
आपका नाम खराब करेगी सर
नहीं अच्छा भी ठीक है खराब तो बात की राइट द नेक्स्ट
आगे तो बोलो.
अरे बिल्कुल ठीक है मैं क्या रेडी हूँ क्या
सर इन्वॉल्व की बात की
involves organic waste inside the bracket you write household
yes
which is decomposed in the presence of microorganism. Next point.
wait sir
Okay. It is these organisms.
microorganisms
Correct. Yeah, out of that, which is the most popular one? Bacteria. It is these organisms which break these waste and produce a safe, clean, and soil-like material. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Put a dash. Compost. Please read this. I think थोड़ा सा technical जा रहा है. And plus, no, repeat पर. याद होगा. उतना भी याद नहीं. तू है ना वो तो चलो ठीक है. तू उसे भी. हाँ बोलना याद हो गया तो. ठीक है. Next point and the last point. So, composting is undertaken by we have received a mandate towards access finance limited for validation of access.
Robert sir.
Maybe I am connected with those. हाँ इधर क्या लिखा हम लोग ने?
आगे आगे करके
Composting undertaken
by all modern governments in the presence of oxygen or air
मतलब एयर के लिए एयर लॉस होता है
एयर में ना बहुत सारे सब्सटेंस होते हैं जो इधर जरूरत नहीं है जब तक ऑक्सीजन नहीं रहेगा बैक्टीरिया ग्रो नहीं होगा बैक्टीरिया ग्रो नहीं होगा तो डिकम्पोजिशन कैसे होगा एयर में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी है ना उसके लिए बैक्टीरिया जिंदा रहेगा कि मरेगा लॉजिक नेक्स्ट अभी आप लिखो मत लेट हिम रीड वी विल एक्सप्लेन ठीक है चलो कंपोस्टिंग हो गया मैकेनिकल और मैनुअल मेथड नहीं है ना एडवांटेजेस ऑफ कंपोस्टिंग है क्या देख हाँ तो वो रीड कर इट इज ऑन पेज नंबर 139 डायरेक्टली आप लिख सकते हैं यू आर हैविंग अ वॉल्यूम व्हाई डू यू सर्कल द पेन लाइक दिस डोंट यू रिस्पेक्ट द बुक्स यू आर like this rotating every time read my code point number 1
Sir, I should read in mind. It enhances soil nutrients and water retention capacity of soil.
Water retention capacity. What does retention mean? What does water retention mean? Withholding capacity. Second, it suppresses plant diseases. What is plant diseases? If you are spraying chemicals, है ना उसके जगह पर आप लोग कंपोस्टिंग करें. Third,
It regenerates more soil by adding humus. Humus.
humus है. Rejuvenates. It's a volume.
Rejuvenates.
Okay. Next point.
It absorbs odors and degrading volatile organic compounds.
Holy, what is that? Volatile है वो. Better I give a break. Volatile. ये कौन सा लीडर है?
सर आपने ये सब पढ़ाया है
कौन बोला?
मैं बोल रही हूँ
कर दिया आपने?
ये पढ़ाया